I feel like we're a lot more serious right now than we've ever been.
Yeah, like not being very playful. Sorry.
Sorry. I'm Sohla.
I'm Ham.
This is a show where we take a mystery ingredient and turn it into a menu,
Yes.
a dinner and a dessert.
Sometimes it's good.
Hey, that looks good, Ham.
You can't smell this, but it smells great. Sometimes it's,
Fine.
fine.
I'm surprised it's not as gross as I thought it would be. If this was really late at night, I would be very into this. Cheese, cheese, cheese. 45 minutes.
Wait, 45 minutes?
Yeah, we're going really slow.
Yeah, I hope it's ready. It's gonna be tight.
26 minutes. Oh God, oh God, wow. Oh God. Hot dogs, I was like, I smell something. 7 minutes.
I think this has the potential to be the biggest disaster.
This one's bad. We might just like have no food. 3 minutes. Baking soda, baking soda. Did I take it already? I already took it. Don't listen to me, guys. Wow, we did it.
Yeah, that's what I'm very surprised. I'm like, this looks real. Okay, has that ever happened?
Huh? Okay. Yeah, it's happened.